The 2022 edition of the Monster Energy FIM Motocross of Nations brings us back to Red Bud, which last hosted this event 4 years ago. On that occasion, Team USA as hosts could only manage fifth, leaving France, led by Gauthier Paulin, to claim the Chamberlain Trophy for a fifth consecutive year. After being unable to take part in last year's Nations, Team USA hope that now is the time to end their 11-year wait to stand on the top step of the podium for the 23rd time. They have reigning AMA champion Eli Tomac leading their team. But it won't be easy for our hosts. Defending champions Team Italy are led by legendary Tony Cairoli, while 2019 winner the Netherlands have Glenn Koldenoff at the helm, who went 1-1 here 4 years ago. Six-time champions Team France have turned up with a strong team, which includes two-time winner Dylan Ferrandis and former MX2 champion Maxime Renault. However, Australia arrive with arguably their strongest ever lineup and a good chance of winning for the very first time. The scene is set for a classic showdown at the 75th edition of the Monster Energy FIM Motocross of Nations.
Don't forget to subscribe and you will receive a notification when anything new is posted on our channel. Right here. Enjoy!